Not long ago, these bladeless fans were super expensive, and now you have a very quiet fan that is super affordable. And it has extra features that the old ones never had. And it can also go swivel left and right. It has a high mode. So what you got is the fan itself. This is a filter. So this is also an air purifier. So you have a very, very nice filter here. Very easy to put back on. It swivels up or down, depends on where you install it. Can be controlled from the remote to swivel left and right. So you can swivel left and right. It has a night mode, it seems like a high fan mode, and then it has different kind of like speeds that you could adjust from the actual remote. It comes with an additional filter, so that's pretty nice. Affordable price. As I said, I remember when these came out on the market, they were so expensive, and now they're just so affordable. A couple of key points. It's not going to consume a lot of power. It's a HEPA filter on it, 80 degrees horizontal rotation, and then also it's a 70 to 100 per minute motor. So it's a bladeless tower fan. 9 speed levels. Timer function is pretty nice. The fact that it has a remote and is bladeless, it's quite awesome.